YouTube, look, this is gonna be a quick update video. I dropped a video yesterday of the washing style, how I do my washing style. My hair is dry now, so this is fresh out the do-rag. I haven't put no products in, I haven't brushed anything in yet, none of that, you feel me? So this is what my hair looks like once I take my do-rag off, all right? Straight hair dry, just finished washing, been sitting for about 2-3 hours just chilling, and now I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like, all right? All right. So, again, this is no products added, just how I look. You know, I think I did pretty good. Feels pretty good, hands feel soft. I really like that brush bar. I can even smell the shampoo in my hand as I rub my hair. It smells good. So, yeah, this is the video. I'm gonna probably take some pictures just to show y'all, you know, to put in the video. But this is the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Like this video, share it. Follow me on Instagram at Barber. Again, follow my boy Keis on Instagram and his website. Go to his website so you can purchase the brush bar and everything. Get with him, man. Good guy. Good businessman, even better man. That's just how I'm gonna put it. Just get with him, man. And yeah, shout out to y'all for supporting me and watching my videos. I appreciate it. Again, 92% of y'all are not even subscribed. So subscribe, hit that bell so you know when I'm posting. Probably add some pictures to this video to show y'all what it looked like. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's it, man. I'll holler at y'all. Peace.
Go crazy. Let me show you how I do it. Stack that money, dump straight through it. Get on my way, catch my movement. Like my strut, they like he foolish. I'm like, hold up, let me show you how I do it. Let me show you how I do it. Let me show you how I do it. Stack that money, dump straight through it. Get on my way, catch my movement. Like my strut, they like he foolish. I'm like, hold up, let me show you how I do it. Let me show you how I do it. Let me show you how. Don't give a damn what they think about me. I'ma smoke my weed, I'ma stack my